Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So first of all, many happy returns of the day to our Madhavan sir.
Yes, so happy birthday to him. Today is his birthday,
Yes.
and we already have posted a post in the community tag
Yes.
about it. And we thought, why not to give reaction on some
Some
of
of the
his
clip.
movie
Best clip you can
best
say.
clip. Yes, so he is a fabulous actor.
And
He is
he's
a
also
great
a
actor.
true inspiration for a lot of the Indians also.
Lot of the Indians. So he has done South Indian movie as well as Bollywood movies. So he is super talented.
Yes.
Right.
And also during his childhood days also we
yeah.
have seen some of the serials also. you can
Serials
say.
also he has
TV
acted on,
serials.
and the famous best movie which I saw in my school days, that is Rehna Hai Tere Dil
Yeah,
Mein.
that
That is
was,
an iconic
awesome.
movie. Okay, that is you can say signify 90s love.
Yes.
Okay, that was
Right.
very famous that time. It was
That time,
blockbuster,
and
super
also
duper hit.
that music in
Music,
that movie, everybody used to keep a ringtone. Also.
Ringtones, and boys also propose girls by saying that lines Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein,
Right.
kind of. So it was very memorable, and I can totally relate that incident, like in my with my life also as well.
Yes,
okay.
because most of the time
Yeah.
during school days we have seen this kind of movie where
Yes.
he is present.
So that movie was like very famous that time, and he was known for
Yes.
that movie particularly in
Particularly
Bollywood.
in that.
So after that only he got a lot of chances and to showcase his talent and everything. And before that also he was a very good actor in South
Yes.
Indian industry. I think Tamil.
Yes, I think
Tamil,
so.
if we are not wrong. So today's movie is Tanu Vets Manu Returns. That is also a very famous movie.
Famous
It is
movie.
a super duper
And
hit
if
movie.
you guys haven't watched that movie,
Just
go and
go
watch
and
it.
watch.
It's a super movie.
Yes, so
I think
it has
you
two
can
parts.
start with the first part and then
Yeah.
you can end in second part.
Yes, yes. Tanu Vets Manu first part just see, and after that you can see the second part.
I love both the part of
yes,
this movie.
Yes, we have seen already. So we'll be just reacting on Kangana Ranaut and R. Madhavan based scene, like fighting scene, you can say, in the courtroom, right? So let's get started. We are very much excited. This scene already we have seen, so we really love this scene, and again we will be like giving our reaction with you all.
Yes.
So let's get started, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the notification bell. So
Yes.
chalo झट से let's get started.
शादी है सर्दी का मौसम था, लोग गर्म कपड़े डाले हुए थे।
Oh,
भैया
yeah,
का आपको
when
पता
you
तो
got
आपको
married.
पता है।
25th October, doctor.
25th
Oh, he forgot the anniversary. My goodness.
That's why
कितने
you're
दिन हुए
saying
शादी को?
about
4 साल.
4 साल। प्रॉब्लम कब से शुरू हुई? I mean, शुरू से बताइए।
डॉक्टर साहब, बात 4 साल पुरानी है. मैं छोटी बच्ची थी.
बच्ची
Can I talk? I was very young. मुझे राजा अवस्थी नाम के एक लड़के से प्यार था. इस आदमी ने धोखे से मुझसे शादी की.
क्या?
Can I talk? मैं अपना नजरिया शेयर कर सकती हूँ. You talk. Doctor, I'm gonna sit there. Let me know.
देखा, ऐसे मैंने क्या कह दिया? ऐसे ही होता रहा।
It's okay.
डॉक्टर गोस्वामी, मैं भी एक डॉक्टर हूँ, and in my professional opinion, my wife is suffering from a bipolar disorder. She has anxiety issues, acute hysteria, thyroid problem.
थायराइड का टेस्ट कराया था, रिजल्ट्स नेगेटिव आए थे. तुम बोलो.
हार्मोनल इश्यूज, यू नो, कई दिन
Hormonal
खुश रहती है,
issues.
फिर अचानक एकदम अफसोस में आ जाती है, कई दिन किसी भी छोटे बात पे नाराज हो जाती है, और फिर अचानक एक दिन ठीक हो जाती है, यू नो, लड़ती है तो लड़ते रहती है, और फिर ठीक रहती है तो ठीक रहती है. यू सी द पैटर्न, इट्स लाइक
मिस्टर शर्मा, इस हिसाब से तो दुनिया की सारी औरतें बाइपोलर हुई। एंड आई थिंक जो आप बता रहे हैं उस हिसाब से शी सीम्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन। मिस्टर शर्मा, आप बताइए।
डॉक्टर साहब, मैं आपको शुरू से बताती हूँ. मेरा नाम तनुजा त्रिवेदी है. मैं कानपुर बिराना रोड की रहने वाली हूँ. मुझे एक लड़के से प्यार था. इस आदमी को मुझसे प्यार हो गया और इसने धोखे से मुझसे शादी की और लंदन ले आया. मैंने सोचा ये बड़ा डॉक्टर है, लेकिन जैसे तैसे इसका गुजारा होता है. पहले ये साउथ हॉल में रहता था, जहाँ लोगों के घरों के बाहर कच्चे सूखते हैं. मेरे बहुत कहने पे इसने घर बदला. अब हम लंदन के बाहर कंट्री में रहते हैं. 5 कबूतर और 3 रैकून के सिवाय वहाँ पे पूरा होता कोई नहीं दिखता.
अरे
Calm down, dear. Please take this.
तो ये शुरू से ही ऐसे थे?
शुरू से ऐसा नहीं था ये. शुरू में 1 साल अच्छा था. प्यार था, एक्साइटमेंट थी, सेक्स था.
ओह,
हम बाहर जाते थे, कैंडल लाइट डिनर्स होते थे, पब में बियर पीते थे. फिर इसने अपना रंग दिखाना शुरू किया। धीरे धीरे सब तिलंडी में चला गया।
कहाँ चला गया? तिलंडी मतलब?
तिलंडी में मतलब उड़ गया, वैनिश्ड।
एक्साइटमेंट के लिए मैं क्या करूं? मैं नाच के दिखा सकता हूँ और
अरे तुम क्या नाचोगे मनु शर्मा? हालत देखिए अपनी, गोश्त हड्डी छोड़ रहा है, अदरक हो गया है ये आदमी, कहीं से भी बढ़ रहा है।
हाँ तो शादी से पहले मैं ऋतिक रोशन था। ऐसे था ना मैं।
ऐसे ही थे, ना कोई पर्सनालिटी, ना कोई सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर।
अदरक हो गया है।
राजू श्रीवास्तव से शादी कर लेती। देखिए मैं स्टेबल लाइफ दे सकता हूँ, चुटकुले नहीं सुना सकता।
क्या चुटकुले सुनाएगा ये दुनिया का सबसे बोरिंग आदमी है। इससे पूछो वीकेंड का प्लान क्या है तो कहता है टेस्को में 25% की छूट है, घर का सामान ले आते हैं, लेक घुमाते हैं और पार्टी के लिए गए तो उन आईटी के चारों को बुला लेता है उनकी बीवियों के साथ में। उनकी बातों में और मेरी रामपुर वाली बुआ की बातों में कोई फर्क नहीं है। इतनी हैपनिंग लाइफ थी मेरी इंडिया में, झंड कर दिया मेरी जिंदगी की।
क्या कर दी?
झंड
झंड
झंड मतलब?
झंड मतलब destroyed।
झंड
I think he is writing that.
मैंने आज तक अपने पापा को एक चाय का कप नहीं बना के दिया। इस आदमी के मैंने कपड़े भी धोए हैं, खाना बनाया है। मुझे कहता अपना मन बहलाने के लिए बच्चों का क्रैश खोल लो। मैंने वो तक किया, फिर भी इसे कदर नहीं है। मुझे लगा ये बदल जाएगा, इसमें थोड़ा रस भर जाएगा। क्या सपने देखती है एक लड़की जब लव मैरिज करती है। But I think I love him. I have stopped liking him. I think I love him like a mammal.
मैमल
Homo sapien.
एक मत करो ये बकवास। झूठ बोलिए, ये सब बकवास कर रही है। हमारी कोई लव मैरिज नहीं हुई थी, अरेंज मैरिज हुई थी हमारी। और तुम्हें क्यों लगा था कि मैं बदल जाऊंगा? हाँ, मैं तुम्हें हाथ फैलाकर किसी पुल पे मिला था। अरे पैंट शर्ट पहनकर अपने माँ बाप के साथ इसके घर गया था मैं इससे मिलने। अरे जो भी था आया तो था तुम्हारे घर पे।
इन्हें बोले थे।
अरे इनके घर वालों की मंजूरी के साथ हुई है ये शादी। और उनको मैं संतरा उनके जो रस भर जाएगा मुझ में। रोज नई बात कहाँ से ले आऊं मैं? स्पार्क नहीं है, स्पार्क नहीं। अरे यार आदमी हूँ मैं, कोई लाइटर थोड़े। स्पार्क नहीं है। और इसकी स्पार्क मैं बता दूं आपको, मेरे दोस्त माथुर की बीवी के सर पे इन्होंने कोक की बोतल दे मारी थी। लोगों ने बंद कर दिया हमारे आना। और ट्रेश की बात की थी ना, इसने पूछे कैसा बंद हुआ? बच्चों को चुप कराने के लिए इसने शराब पिला दी थी। पुलिस केस हो गया था, मैं जेल जाते जाते बचाऊं मैं। और फ्लर्ट करती है औरत पब में अंग्रेजों के साथ मेरे सामने।
और किसके साथ करूं? तुम्हारे साथ कोशिश की थी मैंने, मगर तुम लाश हो लाश। क्यों ना फ्लर्ट करूं मैं? और तो पे अत्याचार की 5000 साल की
हाँ तो
हिस्ट्री है।
5000 साल से अत्याचार मैं कर रहा हूँ औरतों पे। मुझे अकेले से बदला लोगी?
मत कर रहे हैं और तुम सब मत देख जैसे जब तक सेक्स मिल रहा है।
सेक्स? कौन सा सेक्स? पिछली बार 2013 में भैया दूज के टाइम हुआ था ये।
याद है, ये डेट याद है इसको।
भाई तुझ के
मतलब क्या?
प्लीज प्लीज
सॉरी।
डॉक्टर साहब, आई थिंक ही इज अ परवर्ट।
हैं?
जिस तरह से लड़कियों को घूरता है,
क्या मतलब?
ऐसा लगता है उन्हें खा जाएगा। ही इज अ लेक्चर।
मैंने अपनी बीवी तक को हवस की नजर से नहीं देखा। दूसरी औरतों को क्या दिखाऊंगा मैं?
जब ये कानपुर मुझे देखने आया था तो इसने सोए हुए मुझे किस किया था, मेरे बिना मर्जी के, मेरे बिना अवेयरनेस के। पूछिए इससे, पूछो पूछो।
अरे वो तो मेरी शराब थी, वरना तुम्हें पता ही नहीं चलता। ये तो नशे में धुत थी।
या नहीं?
नशे में धुत थी। नहीं, पहले ये बताओ, ठीक है
पप्पी की या नहीं? पप्पी की या नहीं?
आप ही इनसे पूछे।
सिक्योरिटी।
हाँ की। बहुत बड़ी गलती हो गई। प्लीज टेक हिम अवे।
Now he's gone.
A woman can do anything.
इसने मेरी जिंदगी बर्बाद कर दी है। अब तू उनकी करेगी। अरे क्या करूं? छोड़ो, चलो, हमारे साथ करो तो ना चलो। चलो रोको इन्हें। अरे कहाँ चलो? छोड़ो।
Oh my god, that is the iconic scene. Okay, everybody knows about this scene.
Yes.
That was like hilarious.
I think
Hilarious.
This was the beginning of this movie.
Beginning of this movie.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, the way they were fighting was very funny.
Yeah,
Right?
right.
What thing they are picking?
That word was
अदरक।
अदरक की तरफ बढ़ रहा, कहीं से भी निकल रहा.
Oh god, adrak means ginger. Okay,
Ginger.
so you are looking like a ginger, and you are like your body parts are increasing in several
From
any
anywhere.
parts of your body from anywhere. So that was saying,
Yes.
my goodness, and the dialogues were
Dialogues
like
it was hilarious, too much
good,
hilarious.
too
yes.
good. The dialogue delivery was too good, and the way they were like acting, that was hilarious. And we thought, okay, this will be the perfect movie scenes for today, because today is
Yes.
Madhavan sir's birthday. So we thought, okay, why not to laugh with you?
Yeah.
Because yes, that is very much needed. Laughing and being
Enjoying,
happy,
yes.
enjoying on a special day. That's why we have decided
Yes.
that thing. And also Kangana Ranaut, she is a
Yes.
fabulous actor.
Fabulous actor.
And
her expression,
her expressions,
was
okay.
like genuine.
My
And
God.
I think there was problem in her only. It seems like the
Actually,
way
I
she
told
was
no,
acting.
a woman can do anything. See that person like Madhavan was completely fine.
normal.
He was normal, but she proved that okay, he is only the abnormal personality.
He told na their friends, their colleague
their colleagues
came to their home for party, and then he hit that Coke bottle.
Then also children.
Children, they gave him
She
wine
only.
also.
So it is only like it shows only who is the crazy person.
And then also
out
that
of that
doctor
two.
or whatever those guys you were saying.
Yeah.
In this case, she is normal, right?
She is normal only. If the woman is shouting or her moods are swinging or she is calm or she is in anxiety, that all are the normal thing only. So her woman is like that only. Every woman is like that only. He told the doctor. So that was also very funny. But yeah, let me clear. All women are not like that. Okay, some things are different also. There are exceptions also as well.
Right.
So overall, the scene was hilarious, and also Kangana Ranaut has acted in that movie, Queen. That was the superb movie,
she's
and
a
in that
fabulous
year,
actress also.
that year the movie was a blockbuster. I remember.
Queen,
I think
right.
2012 or 2011. I think the movie got released. We are not
Like
sure,
that.
but I have seen that movie and I was like, oh my god, that was a very different topic, and the context of the whole movie was like outstanding.
Yes.
Her acting, that time only I got to know her.
Yes.
Okay, by
and
her
Madhavan
acting.
Sir is acting since I think 2000.
2000
I think.
or
2000
before
something.
that time we were very small, but I remember that I have seen that one Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein,
Rehna Hai Dil Mein.
and
I think I have seen some of the TV series also during his school
Serials,
days.
हाँ,
He used to perform in some
he
serials.
used to perform, then Shah
I
Rukh
think
Khan used to
because
perform
I just
in
remember
the serials.
because in some serial he is having a double role character.
Double role character.
I remember
I think
that.
one
Rajkumar
serial-
or something was there.
Acha. Also, I remember that he has acted in a serial. There, he was playing a role of a detective.
Okay.
I don't know,
I
maybe
didn't remember that.
because
I think it's long ago.
it's very long ago. That time in our home, the black and white TV used to be there. So I remember that I used to see the serials, and also one more serial is there where Shah Rukh Khan ji was there.
Okay.
That time I was
I
very
think
small.
Shah Rukh Khan played in a serial,
Circus.
right?
That is the first serial. So they only have given that impressions to our our generations, you can say, or our parents' generation.
So they have, I think mostly they have started with some
talented.
serials,
Some serials.
and then with their talent they entered into Bollywood.
And then South Indian industry also, and also some Hollywood also, some of them have performed
Yes.
now. So it is a big platform now for
Right.
them, and we are very proud of
Yes,
this
of
thing.
course.
So once again, a very very
Very
very
happy
happy
birthday
birthday
to
to
Madhavan
Madhavan sir. So now this is the time to read the comments.
Yes.
So the first comment for today's video is from Nicholas Raj, and he's commenting, you guys really watching some pretty good trailers. I have watched all of your videos, and I'm just a random guy in the apport of your subscribers. For the first time, I'm requesting for you guys to watch a trailer of a movie who my buddy work as an assistant director for the movie Vuzzle. With the director. Please react Vuzzle teaser. Pretty good visuals and cinematography. Hope you guys watch it for me.
Okay.
Smileys. So Vuzzle, right? That is a very good thing. Yeah, your friend is working as an assistant director, and we wish him all the best for his future. And definitely we will be doing.
Yes.
Please share your the link if you have a link, or otherwise we can search for the
I think
link.
you will get it.
That would be better if you share, but we can try to get it
Yes, right.
from YouTube. And yes, if you tell that it is a pretty good visuals, then definitely it would be, and we will be definitely doing
Yes.
the video for you.
And also thanks for being the part of our subscriber family.
List. Yes, so thank you so much. Thank you for watching and
Yes.
for commenting on our videos.
So the next comment for today is from Raja War. He is writing his comment like, guys, you have to watch Aval. It's a best horror movie.
Yes, we have
and,
watched.
Yes, we have watched, and
watched.
of course, in coming week only, we will going to give our reaction or
Yes,
review. You can say
for
on the
complete
full movie.
review.
Yes.
So we have watched a couple of movies, like Theory we have watched, Marcel we have watched, we have
Yes.
watched Aval, we have watched I think some other movies also as well. I cannot recall the names of it, but yes, we have watched a
yes,
couple
yeah.
of movie in previous weeks or previous weeks, and this span of time.
Yes.
So definitely we have a plan to
Definitely,
give the review of Aval movie, and that was super
Yes.
movie, and it was
too much
Horror.
horrific, you can say.
Horrific, and it was a
totally
horror
different
movie.
concept also. So
Different
yes,
concept.
we will share our more details description review,
Yes,
you can say,
yes.
and in next coming videos.
Yes, so that is for sure, and thank you so much, Raja War, for watching and for commenting
Yes.
on our videos.
So the third and the last comment for today is from You Mean Westland. He is writing, you guys missed to give credit to music director has Gibran. Just close your eyes and remind that piano sound is carried, composed, and this movie will remade in Hollywood very soon.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, of course the music
We
was
forgot to
super.
mention
Yes,
that
sorry
actually.
for that. We
forgot to mention because as we told, we never prepared any script, but we have to prepare because
Right.
some important points we have to indulge in
Yes,
it.
right. We
So,
don't need to miss anything. from
anything
next
we
time.
cannot miss. Okay, so that is a promise to you guys.
Yes.
That is the creepiest thing ever, and the music, my
Music is
goodness,
superb,
it was
yes.
superb. And
And
yes,
too
you
much.
are
It
true
was
that when I
scary also.
close my eyes at that day only when we saw this movie at night also, I was like reminding, like I can literally hear that music, that
Yes,
somebody's
it's
playing the
playing
piano
around
just
us.
around us or next to our door.
Yeah,
So
right.
it was like that only. It was very like great composition of the
And
music
really it's
director.
good that Hollywood also trying to make
Trying
this
to make
remake
this
this movie,
remake.
and also Bollywood also, as
also.
we have last time in review only we have shared.
Yes, that was a very cool thing. Actually, they should approach and they should make this kind of movies so that a larger group
Everybody-
of people
everybody
can
can
see
watch this
who
kind of
have not
concept.
seen. Yes. So that was a very proud thing for Tamil Nadu,
Right.
for
Yes.
India, you can say. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much, Yumin Westland, for commenting and for watching our videos. So these all are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone whoever have commented, who are our subscribers and who watch our videos on a daily basis. Thank you once again, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.